How to connect PS4 controller to PC Epic Games. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can connect PS4 controller to PC Epic Games. So the first step is to open your web browser and then type out epicgames.com. Then once you've done that, ensure you logged in. Once you're logged in, you will be brought to the Epic Games Stores page automatically, where you can get a number of games that you can play on your Epic Games account. Now, for you to be able to connect PS4 controller to Epic Games, you have to ensure that you have a Steam account, because Steam is the best method of connecting PS4 controller to PC Epic Games. It is because Steam supports using 4 different controllers on the software. So once you or to create a Steam account, just click on the plus icon in the search bar, type out steam.com, you sign up, click on create your account, and then you'll be taken to a page where you can now create your account. After you've created your account, the next step, you will be brought to the home page of Steam, and then you would see the games that are available there. You can decide to install the games, you can decide not to, and then the next step is to add the games that you have on your Epic Games on Steam. All right, after adding it, go to the top left corner and then click on file. After clicking on file, a box will be displayed. In the box, ensure you select settings. All right, after selecting settings, you would a window will pop up in the middle of the screen, and then once you see this window, you'll see some options by the left side of the window or of the box, and then amongst this option you will see the controller option. All right, that is the controller. Now once you've seen all of this, read through the instruction displayed, and from there you'll be able to connect PS4 controller to your Epic Games. It is that simple. All right, so ensure that you have a Steam account, ensure that you've added your Epic Games to your Steam account, choose the controller, follow the screen instructions, and you will be taught on how you can connect PS4 controller to your Epic Games. Thanks for watching and have a nice